Good morning. Welcome to Learner's Planet. So student, today we study about chapter 10, Air Around Us. In this chapter we learn about the moving air, what does air contain, property of air and keeping the air clean. Now look at the picture. In both pictures, there is something that is moving, which you cannot see, but you can feel it. What it is called? Do you know? Yes, it is air. With the help of air, this tree, leaves and this umbrella can move. So this is moving air. So moving air is called wind. In this picture, this air is moving. So moving air is called wind. Wind helps us in many ways. So first way is windmill. W-I-N-D-M-I-L-L windmill. So kids, do you know what is windmill? A windmill is a machine that harnesses the power of the wind. Windmill may be used to grind in floor, to the pump water or produce electricity. Wind turns the blades of a windmill. The blades are mounted on a tall tower or building. These types of windmills you can see in your village area. Now next is wind helps a kite fly. It means with the help of wind we can fly the kite. You all know about that because you all fly the kite in Uttarayan. Now air, wind helps clothes dry faster. With the help of sun and wind, our clothes dry very fast. These things you all know about, right? Next is wind helps a boat sail. It means with the help of wind, this boat can move to one place to another. See in this picture. Now next is a gentle wind is called breeze. A gentle wind means slow air. A gentle wind is called breeze. Now next is we can enjoy this breeze air on seesaw. Now next is storm. When the wind is strong and blows very fast, it is called a storm. A storm can be harmful. It can blow things away and damage trees and houses. You can see in this picture. Now next one is what does air contain? Air is a mixture of gases, water, vapor, etc. Do you know kids? In the air, water vapor always present and these three gases are also present. This carbon dioxide, methane and nitroxide. Okay. Wet clothes, when kept under the sun, become dry after some time. You all know about that, right? Why? The heat of the sun changes the water present in these clothes into water vapor. So our clothes get dry. This water vapor mixes with the air around. So air content is water vapor. So air content is water vapor. Now next is air content is also dust and smoke. Smoke is given off when something burns. It also comes out of vehicles and factories. The smoke mixes with the air around us. Do you ever seen the smoke of factories and vehicles? Yes. Air also contains germs. Germs from a sick person get mixed with the air when he or she sneezes. It means sometimes he or she coughing, that time also germs can come out and mixes with the air. Dust, smoke and germs make the air dirty. Dirty air makes us ill. Now our next topic is property of air. This topic we will learn with an activity. So for this activity, take a deflated balloon. Notice its shape. Now take a book. You have to trace this line. This is deflated balloon shape. Student, do you know what is deflated balloon? This is deflated balloon without air. Now I fill air in this balloon. Now this is inflated balloon. The air is in it. Now I trace this inflated balloon line. See the shape of inflated balloon. It is big. It means air fills space. And air gives shape to things.
3.
Now air fills space, air gives shape to things, and air also has weight. For this activity, we need one stick, two balloon and thread. We have to tie deflated balloon in one side and second side we have to tie inflated balloon. Now we do activity. See which balloon goes down? The inflated balloon. So air has weight. So student, you can do this activity in your house also. Next, keeping the air clean. We should grow more plants. Plants keep the air fresh and clean. And we should throw dust in dustbin. We must breathe in fresh and clean air. It is important for good health. Fresh air is good for our digestive system also. Fresh air helps improve blood pressure and heart rate. Fresh air cleans your lungs, so we should breathe fresh and clean air. Okay kids, now time to say bye bye. Thank you. We will meet again in our next chapter. Take care.